All right, let's look at the next question. A banking organization has outsourced its customer data processing facilities to an external service provider. Which of the following roles is accountable? Again, I read the question. First of all, the question is about banking organization which already has lots and lots of what? They already have lots and lots of what? Regulatory requirements. All right, and this banking organization has outsourced its customer data. Again, customer data, very important to preserve, very important to protect. Customer data processing facilities to an external service provider. Which of the following roles is accountable? The word used is what? Accountable for ensuring the security of customer data. Security of customer data is actually, it is very important, but when the question is about banking organization, it becomes more important. All right, option number A, the service provider's data privacy officer. Service provider, external service providers data privacy officer, they are accountable, we are not accountable. Option number B, the bank's vendor risk manager. Option number C, the service provider's data processor. Option number D, the bank's senior management. The correct answer over here is option number D. The correct option over here is, wait a second. The correct option over here is option number D, the bank's senior management. See, whenever I give you one hint, whenever in the question they use the word accountable, ultimate accountability, ultimate responsibility, final responsibility, if they use these kind of words, the final responsibility, the ultimate responsibility, the accountability, right? Accountable word, see, there are two words, accountability and responsibility. Accountability word is more intense. All right, if they use the word accountability, ultimate responsibility, final responsibility, and in the option, if they give the option of senior management, if the question provides the option of senior management, and if the question is having the word accountability or ultimate responsibility or final responsibility, the answer will be answer will be the organization's senior management only. All right, over here the answer is option number D, the bank's senior management. At the end of the day, they are accountable for ensuring security of the customer data. You have delegated your work, you have not delegated your responsibility. You know, we have discussed in domain 2 delegation of work versus delegation of responsibility. You can delegate your work by giving the work to external service provider, but you can never ever delegate what? Your final responsibility. So the correct option over here is option number D, the bank's senior management.